Hello. In today's video on the Dtoolz, I'll be showing you how to use Deepfakelive to start a video call. Whether you're setting it up for fun or creative projects, this guide will walk you through everything step by step. I've created a shortcut on my desktop for these files. They're located inside the Deepfakelive folder. This just makes it easier to access the app whenever I need it, instead of going through the whole directory each time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You have the option to use Face Animator, Face Swap Insight, and the DFM model. In this video, we'll focus on using the Face Animator and Face Swap Insight features. Under the Stream Output section, set the source to the swapped face. Then, click on the Window option. This will open up a new window displaying the swapped face in real time. This time around, instead of selecting the swapped face, we'll use the merged face window. This option gives full body access and a more complete view during the stream. If you don't have SplitCam installed yet, here's how to set it up. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's continue and make a call on WhatsApp. Can adjust the view on SplitCam. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.